केकेआर है तैयार अपना तीसरा आईपीएल टाइटल जीतने के लिए और उनके सामने आज होगी सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद, जिससे ऑलरेडी उनका सामना क्वालिफायर 1 में हुआ था और जीत हुई थी कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स की। तो बहुत सारी न्यूज और अपडेट्स लेकर के हम आ चुके हैं। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू नाइट क्लब, योर वन स्टॉप डेस्टिनेशन फॉर ऑल थिंग्स कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स। हर बार की तरह इस बार भी बहुत सारी एक्साइटिंग अपडेट्स हैं हमारे पास। सो बिफोर वी बिगिन, लेट्स चेक आउट व्हाट्स ऑन द शो। केकेआर के लिए ये सीजन क्लिनिकल बेस्ट रहा, जहां उन्होंने चौथी बार आईपीएल फाइनल में अपनी जगह बनाई है और इसका बहुत बड़ा श्रेय जाता है क्वालिफायर 1 में श्रेयस अय्यर और वेंकटेश अय्यर की उस जोड़ी को, जिसने चेस को बहुत आसान बनाया और मैच को केकेआर के हवाले कर दिया था। तो क्या कहना है इन दोनों का अपनी क्वालिफायर 1 की उस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में, आइए सुनते हैं।
Feeling ecstatic, to be honest. Right from ball one, the way Starkey delivered, getting us 2 crucial wickets.
We all know how dangerous SRH's top order can be. To rattle them and straight away put them under pressure was something that we really wanted to.
And then from there on, they accelerated a bit, but we bounced back with brilliant bowling. And to restrict them to 160, I feel it was a brilliant performance from the bowlers.
Any partnership developing, then we had a wicket. If we were not able to get them out, we ran them out in the field. That shows the excitement that we have, and I think it was a complete performance and something that we can really be proud of.
And after that, when we started in the power play, Sunny, as usual, the way he gave us that start, and also Gurbaz coming in the first match, playing those brilliant strokes, 1 over long on, and few other strokes was pleasing to the eye. So, yeah, happy and not yet satisfied because there's one more game to go. Yeah, he eases off the pressure, to be honest. From the opposite end, it gave me a little bit of time to get set and see how the wicket is playing, and then from there on, both of us capitalized on the bowling.
I think he's an extraordinary batsman. You know, the way he has led the team, the way he has batted goes to show that he's actually wanting to win the trophy for the side, and it was a great partnership. You know, I always look forward to batting with him. We've got good chemistry.
Especially from the opposite end, when you see him play those brilliant strokes from hard length, which is tough to play. I think you need some true character to be coming up on such a big occasion and performing.
More than that, he really guides me on how to approach my innings, and he's someone who also takes the advice if I have to give any advice. So I think it's really nice batting with him, and I hope this is the beginning of a lot of partnerships between us.
और आज है मुकाबला सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद और कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के बीच में। चेन्नई में टीम केकेआर ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुकी है। सो व्हाट हैज बीन टीम केकेआर अप टू, आइए देखते हैं।
An 8-wicket victory against the Sunrisers Hyderabad in Qualifier 1 had the Knight Riders celebrating in style. Next up, it was Destination Chennai for the final.
Not everyone in the team was manifesting it. Everyone in the team, not just manifesting, but working towards it with a set plan in mind, and we really want to lift the trophy for each other and for the lakhs of fans.
In Chennai, the Knight Riders got ready for the SRH challenge at Chepauk. While the Caribbean brothers, Andre Russell and Sunil Narayan, revealed a few secrets of the team in a rapid fire.
Your best friend in the team?
Andrew Russell.
Laziest in the team?
I don't want to say lazy, but the more laid back person is Sunil.
Probably myself.
Funniest?
Rinku Singh.
Rinku Singh, yeah, that's a common name. Okay, next one. We know you're the best, but we want to know who's the worst dancer in the team.
Venkatesh Iyer.
The biggest show-off in the team?
Apart from myself, I would say the skipper.
Okay, Shreyas.
Yeah, and Sunny is a designer boy as well. So, yeah.
Our team is very humble, so when it comes to showing off, we just try to play cricket as the best as we can.
So, कौन सी वो की बैटल्स है जो आज बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होंगी जब श्रेयस अय्यर की कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स सामना करेगी पैट कमिंस की सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद का चेपॉक में, आइए देखते हैं।
It's going to be Battle Royale as Kolkata Knight Riders take on Sunrisers Hyderabad in the final at Chepauk today.
Which team is, of a great mindset and how they play based on the skills, obviously the best team is going to win.
and it's the second IPL final for the Knight Riders in 4 years. No doubt Team KKR will also gain a lot of confidence from their 8-wicket win over the Sunrisers Hyderabad in Qualifier 1.
The Kolkata Knight Riders are in the final of the Tata IPL 2024.
Now the last time the two sides faced off, KKR's lead pacer Mitchell Starc sent the informed Travis Head back for a duck.
Knocks him over! What a start, meets Starc, the big occasion, the big player!
No doubt Captain Shreyas Iyer will be hoping for a similar performance from the Aussie pacer tonight to quell the Travis Head threat. The last time the two sides met, Captain Shreyas Iyer and Venkatesh Iyer's unbeaten 97-run partnership helped the Knight Riders chase down the 160-run target rather easily.
97 of 44 balls for the two Iyers, Venkatesh and Shreyas.
But the two middle-order batters will need to be wary of the Shahbaz Ahmed threat. The all-rounders scalped 3 wickets against Rajasthan Royals in Qualifier 2 at the spin-friendly Chepauk Stadium.
Out! He's gone! 3 wickets for Shahbaz!
So can Kolkata Knight Riders win their third IPL title, or will Captain Pat Cummins lead the Sunrisers to a memorable win? All the answers unfold today.
That's all we have lined up for you on this episode of Night Club. जोर शोर से cheer कीजिएगा आज टीम KKR का जब वो सामना करेंगे सनराइज हैदराबाद का चेपॉक में in a battle for the trophy. जाते जाते काफी सारी और भी सीक्रेट्स रिवील किए टीम ओनर शाहरुख खान ने टीम KKR के. आप भी देखिए.
Yeah, I always wanted to be a sportsman. I never wanted to be an actor, to be honest. मैं हमेशा ये बोला. फिर मुझे चोट लग गई थोड़ी बहुत. इलाज के पैसे नहीं थे, so I had to kind of give. I used to keep wickets. तो और नीचे झुक के and all. And to be honest, at that time in India, इतना chances भी कम थे. But I always wanted to have something to do with sports. Having the nicest set of team in the world, I think, yeah. And we kept on losing only, yaar, bar. To come back with Gigi and do this was outstanding. It taught us how to lose, but never be losers, and never give up hope. And sports teaches you that. हमारा rule ये है. Whenever we discuss, जो मैं क्रिकेट की टीम मीटिंग में जाता हूँ, उसमें यही डिस्कशन होता है. आज बाकी सब तो जैसे खेलना है खेल लेना, लेकिन जीजी को आज थोड़ा सा डांस करवा लें, थोड़ा सा उसको. But he's been kind actually. Out of the 3 times we've gotten together, 2 बार वो he has come. But I think वो day match था यार, so उसके लिए 8:30, 7:30, 9 वाला ठीक है. It's a start, it's a beginning. But he'll get there. The camaraderie that happens कि हम एक दूसरे के losses और wins पे एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर सकते हैं, हंस भी सकते हैं. 1-2 टीम ओनर्स हैं उनके साथ नहीं करते, वो थोड़े पर्सनली लेते हैं. But rest of us, at least, I think most of the old guard, we can talk to each other and say it was a bad day, good day, and whatever. To the players also, I think that's very sportsmanlike.